Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase items from the catalog avatar to your inventory. So you are going to go to the saved outfits, and I'm just going to save this as something new here. Select this icon and then select the view, and then you are going to add to cart the things you want to purchase. So I'll just press the cart buttons on everything that I want to buy, and then in the shopping cart I'll just press checkout. Why do I have all these extra items? Let me just remove that. So it's 280, and then you're just going to why is that not here? Let me just redo that again. Sorry, I don't know why there's these other extra stuff there. There we go. And then you're just going to select checkout, and then you're going to pay with your Robux. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.